Hey Freedom Lovers, this is Dr. Peterson Pierre with America's Frontline Doctors bringing you today's Daily Dose. To understand how public health became so thoroughly corrupted, we have to look upstream at when and how doctors and scientists first become entangled with pharmaceutical power. That process often begins in medical school. Pharmaceutical companies understand how valuable doctors are to the business model. Doctors are the ones who ultimately sell drugs to patients, basically legal drug pushers. So the industry works to insert itself early into medical students' professional lives, presenting itself as a partner rather than a special interest. Medical students are exposed to pharmaceutical marketing from the beginning of their training, literally day one. They receive free meals, textbooks, pocket guides, trinkets, and drug samples. Between 40 and 100% of medical students report some form of exposure to the pharmaceutical industry. As that exposure increases, skepticism declines. Studies show that students who are more exposed to pharma marketing develop more favorable attitudes toward industry interactions and become less able to recognize bias. Over time, their ability to objectively evaluate pharmaceutical claims erodes, undermining their future practice of evidence-based medicine, exactly what Big Pharma wants. Once doctors leave medical school, the conditioning continues. Drug representatives regularly visit physicians' offices to educate them about new products, emphasizing benefits while minimizing or omitting risks. Research shows that many doctors know surprisingly little about the adverse effects of the drugs they prescribe, and that they are more likely to prescribe drugs promoted by reps. If we want to truly break the toxic relationship between public health and Big Pharma, we have to cut it off at the source, and that source is medical education itself. By the time many doctors and scientists reach positions of power, they've already been conditioned long before to see the pharmaceutical industry not as something to challenge, but rather as something to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, only the truth will set you free. Stay tuned for the next Daily Dose.